Air India workers face a wage cut if they go ahead with their strike call. Air India management has issued an ultimatum to its employees saying that the regional labour secretary has issued a hearing on the matter on the 6th of July. Meanwhile, it seems that Air India's flight operations will be hit by the 2-hour boycott called by its employees. However, Air India has said that they will try and ensure that passengers are not affected by the strike, which is supposed to start at 1 p.m. and end at 3 in the afternoon. And hours before the strike begins, striking officials have been issued gag orders, with union members being barred from speaking to the media. Kashif joins us with all the latest. Kashif, tell us a little bit more about this ultimatum which has been issued to Air India employees by the management.
Rukmini, this is the latest salvo by the management. They have said that any employee striking work today between 1 and 3 is illegal. The strike is illegal, and anybody striking, they will have to face a deduction in wages and PLI. PLI is the productivity-linked incentives which the employees get. So clearly the management is taking a tough stand and saying that any employee striking work between 1 and 3 today will face deduction. Also, the management says that the regional labour secretary is supposed to hear this matter on July 6th. So any action before that hearing is illegal and the unions will have to bear the consequences. But on the other hand, the unions are saying that the labour secretary had categorically mentioned that the management has to pay salaries. Any discussions will be further on to the payment of salaries. So clearly there is a stalemate between the employees and the unions. And the unions, we spoke to them after the latest management salvo, which they said that they will still go on with the strike and they will have a meeting soon now to decide for the further course of action. And they are also saying that this battle is not with the passengers. This is a battle between the management and the unions, and they want the management to understand the union's problems and the employees' problems, because a lot of these employees are from the lower grade and they have to pay a lot of their salaries this month.